Hello friends, good evening. This is to the last video which I had spoken regarding Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we had decided that we are coming up with a software just like SAP and ERP, an enterprise resource planning software for to cater to all the clients in the MSME sector as well as the small businessmen and small traders. So we were basically supposed to launch on Monday, but unfortunately we are a day late. We are launching on Tuesday. So for the last 7 weeks, around 60 engineers in Atlanta, US, in India, as well as some of my friends in Singapore have worked behind this software. Now the best part is none of them have taken a single penny, because as I told you earlier, our purpose is not to earn money. Our purpose is to make India self-reliant based on the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. So let's start. We have finally launched the software now. It is an ERP based software which is web based. Now I'll speak on a little technicality. There are two types of software. One is the web based, which works on your web just like you have your Facebook or Twitter, where you can access anywhere around the globe. Another is your desktop software, which is basically there on your own memory. So we have made it basically a web-based software so that anyone can have an access anywhere around the globe. You can be mobile, you can be portable, and you can do your business sitting at home. Now we have made it a generalized software, so a factory can use it, a trader can use it, a manufacturer can use it, a shopkeeper can use it, a transporter can use it, anyone can use it. Now for specific businesses there are specific additions. Like first, for transporter there is a vehicles module. For manufacturers there is a manufacturing module. For traders there is a cash inventory module. Separate modules have been given like that. Now let us come to the basics of the software. The basic software that we have made is basically, it has the modules as marketing, purchase, stores, construction, administration, land records, project costing, financials, work order, quotation, billing, manpower, and production. These are the basic modules which we are having in this ERP software. Now the special features of our software are, we are incorporating RPA, that is robotic process automation, in this software. Using this you can be able to do 100 jobs at the ease of your fingertips. And also we are having in this one thing known as a marketing module, where we have an auto quotation feeder. You can automatically make quotations for all your jobs. Like especially I am a vendor of Indian Oil and Tata Steel, so it is excellently good for me, so that I can make quotation for Tata Steel and give it without having to employ 5 or 6 people in these corona times where it is very difficult to pay salary of employees as business is less. So this basically helps you a lot. Now the other feature that we are having in this, which is excellent, is the auto chasing modules. There are many manufacturers who are manufacturing and giving to 10 places. Now they have to keep people for chasing payments. Through the auto chasing module, you can easily chase for your pending payments without having to employ any persons. Now like that, there are many features. We have already hosted this software in our website, which is markinfocom.com/ERP. I'll repeat, it's www.markinfocom.com/ERP. You can just see the link along with this video on the left side. It is given there. You have to go there and you have to use your login ID and password. We have now put it in beta testing module. The login and the password are both admin, admin. So I would just tell all of my friends and colleagues to just take a test of this software and pass and share it to your friends, and let the whole of India know about this software. Now regarding the pricing have been kept very competitive, at least 10 times lower than SAP or another software like this. Also we have a feature in this where you can pay monthly, like you don't have to purchase the whole software at once. If you can afford once you can pay it once. If you don't have so much money, you can have a monthly payment, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, 1500, anything. We can decide it depending on the volume of your work. So this is the basic thing. So I wish all my friends and colleagues, please go and take a test of this software and give us a feedback. There is a feedback form in the software itself where you give your valuable feedback. Based on those feedback, we'll try to improve this software even more. Okay then friends, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.